Hi guys, welcome to Emobi channel. Have you lost your essential videos without backup or regretted to delete videos previously? Today, we are going to show you how to recover deleted videos from phone memory. Please tap like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Tip 1. How to recover deleted videos from Google Photos. If you deleted videos from the album, they would be temporarily saved in trash. But if you didn't turn on the trash or emptied it, then you would not able to recover from your gallery. However, if you have Google Photos and turned on backup, then you can get them back. Google Photos will sync the deletion you did, so there are no videos appearing. But don't worry, you just need to tap the library, and you will see there's trash here too. It will keep your deleted video for 60 days while you turn on the backup. If not, videos also will be saved for 30 days. Tap the right top, then you can recover what you wanted, or restore all videos to your gallery. Tip 2. Recover deleted videos from phone memory. Download DroidKit and launch it on your computer. Go to Data Recovery and choose the Quick Recover from Device feature. Deep recovery needs root. DroidKit supports recovering 13 types of data from Android in one click. But don't worry, it won't keep any of your personal data. Select Videos only and click Start. Connect your Android to your computer. Please choose the device brand and follow the steps to enable your USB debugging. After connecting successfully, it will automatically scan your phone memory and show you the deleted videos you want. Then you can select all or only what you want to restore to PC or to your device gallery. Wait a minute, you recovered deleted videos from phone memory successfully. Now, please go to your phone to have a check. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.